When you're trying to learn and speak a second language, not only are you trying to use proper grammar, but you're also trying to use the proper pronunciations as well. But sometimes there are sounds in the second language that we don't have in our first language. For example, in American English, we have the TH sound or the. So if I say, I need that onion over there, or I need these mushrooms, I'm using the voiced TH sound, the. And if you haven't used this sound in your language, you might approximate. And this just means to make the sound closest to the one that you are familiar with. So instead of this, you might say this or this or that. You know, it's very close, the D sound, duh, instead of the. So let's look at these sounds a little more closely. The TH is special in English because you take the tip of your tongue, place it between the upper and lower front teeth, push air out as you pull the tongue back. Now there's voiced and unvoiced. If you use your voice, you know, you can feel it right here, the, or unvoiced, the. Now you can also press the tip of the tongue behind and on or against the back of the top front teeth. The. You can also do it that way, but I generally just teach, you know, taking just the very tip between the upper and lower front teeth. That way you're less likely to make the D sound or the T sound. And it's pretty easy. Once you know how to do that, in practice a few times, it becomes easier. So if you're new to this sound, just take a couple minutes and practice these exercises daily until you create those new pathways in the brain and that muscle memory. So that's what we're going to do now, is practice some differences with minimal pairs. Feel the sound, feel the difference, hear the difference. So first, the voice TH, the. This. So first we're doing the TH, the. This. These. Those. That. Zat. Now for some real words. Then, zen. Then, den. Though, dough. They, day. Leather, letter. Lather, ladder. Bathe, bade. Seethe, seed. Now the unvoiced TH. Th. Thank, tank. Thank, sank. Think, tink. Thought, taught. Math, mass. Math, mat. Path, pass. Path, pat. If you'd like more detailed lessons and extensive practice and exercises with American English pronunciation, check out my website at eslspeechconnect.com. Happy learning, everyone.